Hi, my name is Bob Raw with Quest Contracting Services.
A lot of times we get asked the question by owners or owners' reps when we mention the term general conditions and overhead and profit. A lot of times people don't understand what that means. So what I'd like to do is explain it to you so that you're having a conversation with your contractor or contractors you're considering for your project. You can have an intelligent conversation with them about their general conditions and their overhead and profit and how they determine what that is. General conditions typically are ancillary project costs that aren't typically subcontracted out to a subcontractor such as a plumber, an electrician, a drywall contractor, a ceiling contractor, a shell contractor. Those are all subcontractors that we hire and they do certain portions of the work, but there's certain portions of the work that need to be done that are included in our general conditions. And what those costs typically are the project manager for the job. His payroll is actually allocated as a cost of the job in the general conditions. Also, the superintendent that's on your job full-time, his salary is part of the general conditions and considered a cost of the job. The job trailer that we put out there and our signs and our safety equipment, and my suggestion to you is when you're considering a general contractor, have them give you a breakout of their general conditions so that you can compare it to the other contractors and make sure everybody's including the same thing. Some people include certain items in their general conditions, some people include them in their subcontractor costs. So you want to be sure that you understand what those are. The contractor's overhead and profit is simply the overhead that the contractor incurs in his home office and a percentage of profit combined in there that the contractor wants to make on the job. The overhead in the office is going to be the president of the company, the controller, the project administrators, the secretary, the rent. All those costs they consider overhead, and they include that as part of their percentage fee that they charge on the total construction costs. The profit portion is the portion that the contractor wants to make on the job. If it's a $500,000 to $1 million project, the contractor fee obviously is going to be higher. The range of fees can be anywhere from 5 to 10%, just depending on the project size.
My name is Bob Raw with Quest Contracting Services. At Quest Contracting Services, it's our business to build your business.